It's your girl Suheidi back with another writing tip, and today I'm gonna answer the question, should I use a pen name? Many authors, especially self-published authors, use a pen name for various reasons. And here's a list of why you should use a pen name. Number 1, use a pen name if you wish to remain anonymous. And why would you want to remain anonymous as an author? Well, maybe you have a full-time job and you're writing some erotica, or maybe you have nosy neighbors or nosy family members that aren't supportive. Maybe you're part of a church and maybe the content that you're writing is a little bit risque, and even if you're not writing romance or erotica, you might feel a little less stifled and a little more free if you use a name that is not yours. So oftentimes authors use a pen name because it's a safer bet. So if you're not comfortable sharing your writing with loved ones, family members, your community, then a pen name is a way to go until you make it big and then you say, that's me. Number 2, use a pen name if you have an established brand. And what do I mean by an established brand? If you use a name like I used to, Love Suheidi, on Instagram and Facebook, and I had a show on SiriusXM, and it aligns with what you're writing as an author, then yes, definitely use a pen name. But if you are someone that's a new writer, an aspiring writer, and you're starting to write books, and you don't have an established brand, that potentially using a pen name isn't necessary unless you connect to the first point of wanting to remain anonymous. Number 3, use a pen name if you have an alter ego, like Sasha Fierce. Love Suheidi was actually my alter ego. It was a persona that I created to be a radio personality on SiriusXM, and also to write about sex and relationships and be a relationship expert. So if you have this other side of you that most people don't see, or you need it to give you that confidence to write certain type of books and certain type of content, then definitely use a pen name. So is there any time where you shouldn't use a pen name? Well, if you're comfortable using your name and you want your name to be associated with the books that you write, of course, use your name. Also, if you have been working hard, getting press under your name as a writer, a freelance writer, a blogger, or even an expert in your field, if you have a business, definitely use your name. You want to use whatever name that has gotten press, has gotten featured, and has pretty much given you any type of traction regarding publicity. That's the name that you want to focus on and use as an author, specifically if it's aligned to the content that you're writing or if it connects to your expertise. That is why on social media, I decided to go from Love Suheidi, the personality, to Suheidi Gonzalez, and everything now on social and my website is SuheidiGonzalez.com. As Love Suheidi, I had recognition in one field, which was radio and entertainment. But as a writer, I've been freelance writing since 2006, and I've been published since 2006 as a freelance writer. I also have gotten a lot of press hits as a writer with Suheidi Gonzalez. So it made sense to me, now that I am writing more books and really focusing and committing to being a writer, as I talked about in this video regarding mindset tips for aspiring writers, it just made sense to go with Suheidi Gonzalez and to print and publish books under my actual given name. That's it for me, your girl Suheidi, with another writing tip. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more, and come back for more writing tips, mindset tips for writers and aspiring writers, and of course, gonna throw in some blogging tips soon enough, so there'll be more to come. Bye.